Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat device ban in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your Snapchat account, you see an error that your account has been banned or your device has been banned or something like that. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back, and it might be that your device hardware has violated any guideline or security reasons due to Snapchat has banned your device. Now to fix that, there are some possible fixes. The very first thing and the best is that you just have to use any other phone to log in your account. Or you have to also keep in mind that don't use this phone to create new IDs, and after that, whenever you try to log in with your account on another phone, you will be logged in successfully. Or if you want to log in on this phone, so you can try a VPN. So sometimes it might be that your device has been banned due to your IP. So it will be fixed in this step because your VPN will help you to change your IP address. And after that, you will be able to log in with your Snapchat account. But if you're still facing the same issue with your VPN, so this the only way. You just have to wait for almost 3 months, or you can try to appeal or send support or submit a report to your Snapchat support. So I'm going to submit a report. Open this browser here, search for Snapchat support, and just scroll down and look for the option of contact us. Select that, and then select I can't access my account. And here just select the option of my device is banned or temporarily disabled. And after that, Snapchat will help you to log in with your account, or if you're unable to send a report, there's the only way to log into your account on this current device is that you have to wait for almost 3 months, and after that you'll be able to log in with your account on this device. If you want to log in your account, so you have to use another device. It is recommended, so there's no any other fix like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.